Listen to this.
Focus on your finances. Some of you spend too much. Some of you, your bank account will be more buoyant by now, if not for useless spending. You do lunch out every day. What is wrong with you? Cook yam, fry pepper, egg, put on top. Are you hearing me? Put egg there. Can you meet with somebody? If you must take Uber, there are two of you must join money to split the money for Uber. Instead of paying your way to and fro. Save any way you can save. You don't have any point to prove to anybody. Can I talk to you, my sisters? You have enough weeks already. You have enough weeks. Don't look up, just look down. I say I'm not talking to you. You have enough weeks. It's time to acquire land. Somebody hearing me right now. All this frivolous spending, let's stop. Improve your finances. There are some people who are permanent parasites on you. Edit them because they are no longer a fertile ground. They are doing what they are doing deliberately. Somebody hearing me right now. Control your expenditure. Improve on your saving. When you get home today, check all your savings account. Whatever is there, make sure by the end of next year is double. Be deliberate. Stop this Father Christmas life. Say no. When I eat lunch in community, I enjoy it better. Before, we used to hide food to eat. It's a level. Increase your level of income. Whatever else you can do that will increase your flow is an increase. Is somebody hearing me right now? For 2025 to make rapid progress, do all of that.
You heard the pastor. To be honest, this is the first time I'm actually agreeing with the pastor, because we're always preaching prosperity, preaching giving of tithe and all that in the church and all that. So, but this kind of preaching, I believe it will go a long way for many of us, But I'm going to be talking about this particular video in a diversional ground. This 2025, a lot of people are looking up to a lot of people out there. Many of us, we are not sure what we want to do. A lot of us, or many of you, I'd rather use that. Many of you have cost yourself. With the little that you are currently doing, you have laid cost on yourself that there's no way you can amount to anything on this little thing that I'm doing. Because you believe that, the only way you can be successful is by having a massive project, big money in your account and all that. Some people are making some money today, maybe 100,000 naira in a month and all that. Some of them have laid costs on themselves by saying that 100,000 naira can never make me become rich. Anytime you say that, you lay costs on yourself, in case you're not aware. You're not too sure when your tongue is being activated. The power of life and death belong to the tongue, right? Like they normally say. So it is always good to speak positively whenever you are saying something about you or about anything. But let's come to this. So many of us spend unnecessarily on things that we don't need. Yes, a lot of things. This is 2025 where you need to rethink, reflect, reminisce over your past life, past 2024 or past years. How you've been spending, misusing, mismanaging your own fund. Yes, some of you are currently just on salary today and you want to be successful. There's nothing wrong you earning money from doing a job of 9 to 5. But the ability to know that, okay, this 9 to 5, how do I improve myself? By saving your money and start the slightest business. There's any business is available for you. You don't need to go start big. By starting the slightest business, cut down on your expenditures, the kind of things you spend on. If you smoke, if you can stop smoking, that will be better for you. I understand it's very, very difficult for some people to stop smoking or stop the alcohol habit and all that. That's fine. But if you can moderate it, that will be fine. Because these things cost a lot of money, in case you're not aware. Yeah, some people think it's a normal thing. Like you guys that go to lounges, go to different kind of places and all that. You spend money, you spend excessively on things like that. You can put this money together, to think about what you want to do with your life. Stop laying costs on yourself by saying that, oh, this money is just to flex, you're not going to reach me to do anything for my life or to amount to anything. You are laying costs on yourself. And you are spending on unnecessary things. Things like things that you don't need. So, to be honest, you need to think about what you want to do with your life today. Some of you look at successful people today, you want to become like them. You want to live the kind of life that successful people are living today. Some of you even assume that this kind of person, what they are doing for a living and all that, blah, blah, blah. Listen, you can even be richer than somebody that you are looking up to if you know what you're doing. That's just the truth. How do you manage your money? You work 9 to 5 and you don't like the kind of job you're doing, or rather, you'll be working for a while now, for a couple of years, and you'll not be able to save money or to amount to anything. You can save and think of something. Listen, did you know that starting a restaurant, a roadside restaurant, you can amount to become a millionaire? A lot of people are not aware of this. I see a lot of girls, men selling things on their status. You know, it looks like you're wasting your time. The kind of things you're selling, not everybody taking these things serious. There are other things. For example, my cleaner is making a lot of money. There was a day I interviewed my cleaner and said, how much do you make from this? He says, sir, you are paying me 40,000 naira every month. That's what I pay my cleaner, right? To come to my house and clean. And sometimes she only come to my house 3 times in a month. And I pay her 40,000 naira. Then she told me in my own estate that she have 15 clients in my estate. 15 clients in my estate, just my estate. And I pay her 40,000 naira. So if you have to times 40,000 naira times 15, that's about 600,000 naira, if I'm not mistaken, right? Plus mine, that's 640,000 naira every month for this lady. Now, she might also have other clients across other estates, maybe 1 or 2 and all that. So let's say, you know, this woman make at least a minimum of $1 million naira every month from cleaning people's houses. Did you get that? Then I also know somebody where they say along the road food. She started with wheelbarrow. Now she now built a little bit of kiosk selling food and all that. I went to interview her. That was in 2022. How much do you make from this? She said now then she get money which she said they pay for her children's school fees and all that. That her daughter is in university and all that. So to cut all these things short, some of you think that you cannot amount to anything because of the salary you are receiving today. But I want to let you know that you can put things together by cutting a lot of expenses down and put some of your money together, save some money so that you can use it to invest and move forward. If you are only working and you fail to invest, you can never grow forward. You can't amount to anything. Unfortunately, you cannot. Anybody who believes in just salary and you are not investing in anything, you're not going anywhere. Listen to this video.
Don't chase money. Change your mindset. Once you change your mindset, money will chase you. If you want more money, change your ideas. For example, this microphone was an idea. This phone was an idea. Everything we see and use was an idea, and it brought a shit ton of money in. So don't chase money. Change your mindset. Once you change your mindset, the money will chase you. The 9-to-5 job you're working at first was an idea in somebody's mind, and from that idea, it brought a shit ton of money in, and they pay you, right? So if you are working a 9-to-5, the money that you're getting from your 9-to-5, invest that into that idea you come up with so you can also make a shit ton of money. The only way you get wealthy is investing or generating and creating an idea. Money is just an idea. If you want more money, change your idea. So don't chase money. Change your mindset. And once you change your mindset, the money, it will chase you.
You see, there's a lot for you guys to learn from. Yes, put your money together as this 2025. I promise you, you'll never look back again. And remember the pastor, the video that I played earlier on, the pastor. Yeah, this video. stated that we have some parasites in our lives. This parasite could be your friends, your relationship, or your neighbor, your work, your colleague, or anyone, your family, anyone. As long as this person have been recognized as a parasite, call them off. People who take and take and take and they can never give back, call them off. Yes, this parasite, they're in your life, they're in my life, they're in every one of us, everyone that's going to listen to this video. We have them in our lives. Sometimes these things can hinder your success for you to progress. I just thought I should put this out there. I don't know who is going to learn. Some people question us. I remember I was a video that I was commented on a couple of days ago. A guy, they said he stole Mercedes Benz and all that. So I commented how, yeah, this was my comment. How, you know, many youth, their mindsets have been tarnished, have been affected and all that. You know, everybody believes that the only way you can make money in Nigeria, you must engage in criminality. You must engage in fraudulent activities. Yes, 90% of Nigerians have that mindset. Unfortunately, that is my own statistic. Fact. So when you are doing well, some people will question your source of income. They don't even know you. Listen, you don't need to engage in criminality for you to be successful in this world. You don't need to engage in any kind of criminality for you to be successful. So I urge you all that's going to play this video to put yourself together, this 2025, put yourself in challenge, compete with yourself that yes, this year I want to improve my life, and you can do it. Trust me, you can do it. Thank you very much, guys, for listening. Take care.